back to Pure Lottie. So today's video I am doing a craft project. I am going to be doing the pool noodle table centerpiece Christmas hack. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up down below because that really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change the notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So step one I've already done because I had my husband help me do step one. Step one is you need to suss out how big you want your centerpiece. So we have cut off about a third of the pool noodle. So just to there. So we've cut that off. So we're going to use this piece, and this piece can just go in the bin or you can use it for other craft projects. So what I've got here today is I do have a 1.83 meter green garland. So I had a look at this already when we were measuring out how much I would need. I have a few of those decor pieces that was left over from the wreath that we did. So yeah, I've got a few little things that I can use to decorate. Got some little holly pieces. I've got some baubles. I've just got silver ones for the moment being. I'm going to see how that goes, and then I could potentially add in some colours. I have some little string lights, so just little ones. And then I have hot glue gun and some glue sticks. So to start off with, you will just do whatever you're covering the pool noodle with. So you can just do them with just baubles everywhere and glue them on, that's completely fine. But I want to cover mine in the garland first, and then pop baubles and decor scattered throughout on top, and then also pop these string lights in it. Now I don't have any tinsel in mine. I'm really not a massive tinsel fan, but you could just use tinsel instead of garland as well. So just go for whatever you prefer. So I will most likely speed through all of this so you're not sitting here watching me just take my time. What I'm doing is just going to be placing the garland on. Okay, so once you've flared out the garland or the tinsel to where you want it, I have majority of it on the top and a very small amount on the bottom. I'm then just going to go ahead and just glue a few pieces to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so I've just glued down a few spots. So it is all like this now. So I didn't glue too many pieces down just because I would like to play with it and fluff it up when I need to. I do, on the ends it had wire, so I've stuck them in the ends here, and I'm going to cover that bit up a little bit so then people can't see them. But I didn't want to stick it all down so that I could then just fluff it up. And now we're going to fill in the gaps with the baubles and the decor. So I will speed through this part as well. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. So I'm just going through and trying to cover up all the yellow pieces that's going to be seen. I'm not worrying about the bottom because that's going to be sitting on the table. And then the pieces that I can't cover up, I will then flick these around to try and cover them. So let's keep going. Okay, so I've got majority of the pool noodle covered now. So the top and the front, you can't see the pool noodle, but if you look underneath, you can still see it. But the underneath is going to be sitting on the table, so that's okay. You can't see it now. I think I like it like this. I don't think I want to add any more baubles on it. But if you were really worried about any of it being seen, you could go through and add maybe some small ones on there. But I like the silver and green because then it will match my theme each year. So that if I do, like my tree this year, it's got green on it. Last year it had pink on it, so it would match in with whatever theme I do have each year. So now I'm just going to add some little lights in, and then I will show you the finished product. Okay, so this is the finished product. So you can barely see any of the pool noodle now. I did mine on a budget, so I think it came to around $15 for everything that I used to decorate today. But if you did have a bigger budget, you could potentially spray paint your pool noodle like a green to match in. Or you could wrap it with wrapping paper, or even like a green sticky tape, or even a black tape would look fine underneath it. Or if you're lucky enough to be able to get a green noodle, at the moment everywhere is sold out because this hack is going viral. So let's turn the lights on and have a look at the finished product. Ta-da! I think it looks really pretty and it will make any table look really nice. And even with that leftover little one, if you've got like a little kids table or something, you could do up a little mini one for their table to match. Or if you've got fur babies, you could have a little table for them that would look super cute as well. But I'm absolutely in love with this, and yeah, I think it looks really, really cute, and it's definitely the style I was going for. Sort of minimalistic and, you know, like the natural sort of look, not any colors in it, so that I could match it to whatever I have for my tree each year. And I think this could last for a few years, and I could probably just change it up if I did want to, maybe add some color to match next year's, whatever I wanted to do. The balls can come off, they're just hot glued on, so they're just going to have hot glue on them. And I've just ran the lights around it twice so that it looks really pretty. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will show you a close-up of this on my table. But if you did enjoy it, make sure you hit that thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join the family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!